In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an arrow thicker in PowerPoint, whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project. Having clear and visually appealing graphics can make a significant difference. So let's dive into it and transform those thin, hard to see arrows into bold, attention-grabbing visuals. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. It doesn't matter whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, the process is quite similar across devices. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to your existing presentation, the one where you want to modify the arrow shape. Open it and find the specific slide that contains the arrow you want to adjust. This is an important step because it will ensure you are making changes in the right place. With your slide open, look for the arrow shape that you want to thicken. Click on the arrow to select it. You'll notice a bounding box that indicates the arrow is active and ready for editing. Now, direct your attention to the menu at the top of your screen. Here, you'll need to locate the Shape Format tab. This tab is crucial because it houses all the tools you need to modify shapes within your presentation. Click on the Shape Format tab. You'll then see a wide array of formatting options appear. Among these, search for the Shape Outline button. Clicking this will present you with an array of choices for altering your shape's outline, including its thickness, color, and other styling options. Now let's focus on thickness. In the drop-down menu under Shape Outline, look for the option labeled Weight. This is where you can specify how thick you want your arrow to be. You'll find several preset thickness options to choose from. Take your time here to decide what works best for your presentation, keeping in mind the balance of visuals across your slide. Once you've selected your desired thickness, you might also want to consider adjusting the color of your arrow's outline. A thicker arrow not only stands out in terms of size, but also in appearance, so why not make it pop even more with a vibrant color? Again, head back to the Shape Outline menu and choose a color that complements your presentation's theme. Remember, the key is to make sure your modifications enhance readability and visual appeal. And there you have it, you've successfully transformed your thin arrow into a much more prominent feature on your slide. Mastery of these small details can truly elevate the quality of your PowerPoint presentations. Enjoy experimenting with these options, and don't hesitate to adjust these settings until you're satisfied with the result. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.